Our client saw a 119-point increase in just 30 days, and here's how. We got a total of 6 inquiries deleted from the report, a charge-off worth $378, a paid collection. We got another collection for a hospital bill for a dog, a vet bill if you will, for $97 deleted, a Comcast collection deleted for $62, a charge-off from Bank of America deleted for $120, a Discover Bank paid charge-off deleted, a First Premier Bank charge-off deleted, a Target paid charge-off deleted, and a Total Visa credit card was updated from charged off to paid on time. So all of that combined is exactly why we got a 119-point increase on the mortgage FICO for this client. Now this put this client in the position to be able to apply for a mortgage. This client's been with us for about 2 months, so going from scores in the 400s to scores in the mid 600s in 2 months, and they're ready to go with the mortgage process. If you're curious how we can help you with your credit, or you just want to learn more about what's impacting your credit, visit us online at insightstrategies.credit. There you can schedule a free consultation. We'll review your report free of charge. And then you can decide, do you want to do credit repair, or are you armed with enough information after the consultation to try to do it yourself?